Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how you can earn some extra cash using CoinOut, as well as submitting your receipts and actually earning some extra money from it. And let's first just say that the receipts have to be within 2 weeks, so you can't wait 6, 7, 8 weeks and expect to earn some extra money from it. It would not be valid. And another thing with the receipts, as far as which they do allow, they don't allow ATM receipts. They don't allow lotto. They don't allow credit card slips, money order, and also coupons, I believe. So just keep that in mind, and other than that, you're good to go. And people probably wonder, how can you actually earn online with CoinOut? Well, it is actually based on the amount that you spend. So the more you spend, it's kind of like the more cash back you actually can receive. So just keep in mind, maybe every time you're actually going out, you can actually use your CoinOut. So another thing you can actually do is make sure you look out and use your actual referral link that you actually get. And with each referral link, you actually get 75 cents. So just imagine if you know 100 people that is online and looking for ways to save money, you can send your link out and you can actually make 75 cents per person. And also, you want to make sure that you check out the savings button, which I'll be showing you right now. So once you go there, for example, I put in my zip code. These are the savings that I'll be looking at the moment. So let's just go back. You can take a look at all the stores with the online cash back. You have Target, eBay, Walmart. You can check out the rest. And let's just go back. Here is where your referral link will actually be. So you just click on that. Get your link. You actually copy that link right there. And it's where you will actually post on the different platforms that you be on, as well as you can send out a text message and things like that. So I just wanted to share this cool app, so definitely check it out. If you have any questions, just feel free to contact me. The information will be in the description box. And you guys have a good one. Be blessed.